This video should talk about a ranking of the top MBA colleges by Financial Times. And they normally come up with the rankings every year, both India and abroad. I mean, what are the India colleges ranking in the world and what are the world college rankings as such. I mean, if you look at 2025, Wharton has ranked first, so they're given an average salary. Columbia second, IES third, INSEAD fourth, and so on. Kellogg's is on a 10th side. So these are top 10 B schools which are there. Now, obviously, the ranking is based on many parameters, mainly on research and other factors which are there. So you will have to see what you are interested in. Based on that, you decide in terms of how you want to, how do you want to look at. Now here it's also post MBA salary increase. So what was the salary increase before and after? So that is a post MBA salary increase in these colleges which are there, top MBA colleges as such. If you look at the India rankings over the years, I mean, ISB is supposed to be the top rank mainly because it's focused on research and other factors. Ahmedabad ranked 31, Bangalore 57, Calcutta 61, Indore 69, Lucknow 71, Kozhikode has come in 86, extra 80. The top colleges which have been in the rankings for Financial Times World Ranking. So, though this may not be the exact picture that you want purely because you may focus on placements and the ranking may focus on research and so on. But yes, if you look at it, almost all the top Indian colleges are there in the ranking. That means a fair idea in terms of what are the good colleges as such that you could look at. So these are the rankings. Just to make you understand that yes, India comes among the top MBA colleges in the world, at least as per FP ranking. And yes, we do have great placements. So if you're looking at doing an MBA, one of the good options is being from India as such. Hope this helps. We'll come up with more videos that will help you with regards to taking decisions regarding colleges, placements, etc. Thank you.